Right, let's do 1.4. 1.4 is supposed to interpret the answer we got in 1.3. Right. In 1.3, we found that our correlation coefficient is approximately 0.98. So what is the meaning of this? The correlation coefficient measures the strength of linear association. Right. It shows us how these two variables, x and y, are related. These are values without any units, which are between -1 and 1. If the value is closer to 1, it shows us that there is a strong positive correlation. If the value is closer to -1, it means it's a strong negative correlation. Let's say the value may be 0.7. It could be around moderate positive correlation. Let's say -0.6, moderate negative correlation, something like that. But let's say it may be 0.3, 0.2. This one is not showing us any correlation at all. So for a strong positive correlation, the value should be closer to 1. And for a strong negative correlation, the value should be closer to -1. So in this case, 0.98 is closer to 1. So this shows us a very strong positive correlation.